Common Core State Standards, Math, 7th grade, Number Systems 3, Number Quantity 2A, and we're talking about dividing integers. And this is the last thing you can do with integers. So we've done adding, subtracting, multiplying, and today it is dividing. Make sure you pop this into your graphic organizer, and let's go. So, there are always two rules for all of the operations, and the rule for dividing integers, and that means positive or negative whole numbers, is, the first rule is divide or multiply or divide as usual. Okay, so don't worry about the signs, just multiply or divide as usual. And B, you need to count the signs, and that means how many negatives. So count the negative signs. Okay, so if there's 1, 3, 5, or 7, those would be odd numbers. So if the number of negative signs is odd, so like 1, 3, 5, the answer will be negative. And if the number of negative signs is even, like if there's 2 negatives, 4 negatives, 6 negatives, the answer will be positive. So it's all about the signs. All right, so let's give some examples. So if we have like 2 times -6, you would multiply as usual. So you're going to get 2 times 6 is 12, and there's 1 negative, so the answer is negatory in that story. Box it in, because it's an odd number. And likewise, if we had like a -2 times -6, we still multiply 2 times 6 and we get 12. But there are 2 negatives, so it's an even number, so the answer will be positive. I actually think this is easier than the adding and subtracting. So anyways, we have something like dividing. If I have 12 divided by -6, I would divide like normal, and I would get a 2. There's only 1 negative sign, so it's odd number, so the answer will be negatory. And if we have -12, -6, you stop, drop, divide, and you get a 2. It's 2 negative signs, so the answer is pository. And so on and so on. So this one here is fairly easy, but just remember, they all have 2 rules. You need to follow them, and it's all about the signs. Thank you. Oh, I forgot. This on the top title should be multiplying and dividing integers. I'm sorry. Make sure you check that, and that's a good way to let me know you're watching these videos. Thank you.